Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the last class we have started our new chapter, the third chapter, concepts into pictures. Okay, and we have used an application called LibreOffice Draw. Okay, so we have discussed these three topics in the last class: the definition of LibreOffice Draw, how to open LibreOffice Draw, tools used in LibreOffice Draw. In today's class, we are going to see the next three topics: how to include words or text in shapes using LibreOffice Draw, write down the steps to draw connectors in LibreOffice Draw, how to draw a connector that I have shown in the last class, and the third one, how to rotate a shape in LibreOffice Draw. So these three topics we will discuss in today's class. Okay, so let us start our first topic for today's class: how to include words or text in shapes using LibreOffice Draw. Okay, so we need to draw a shape first. In LibreOffice Draw we need to draw a shape. After that, what we need to do, I have written here, double click inside the shape. I repeat, double click inside the shape. Then what will appear? A cursor will appear inside the shape to type the words. A cursor will appear to type the words. Okay, then you can type the word or text here. Okay, so these are the three steps to type a word inside the shape. So I'll show it in LibreOffice Draw. So how to open LibreOffice Draw? Tell me, my dear students. Yes, at the top left corner, click on applications. Inside that, graphics. Inside graphics you can see LibreOffice Draw. Click on that. Now the LibreOffice Draw is opened. Here you can choose any shapes. At the left side you can see tools. This is toolbar or toolbox. I have shown you in the last class. So I am going to select here a rectangle. Click on rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Okay, suppose if I want to change this to a yellow color, what I have to do, I have to use fill color. Okay, fill color. So at the left side in the toolbar you can see fill color. Okay, click here at the down arrow and select any color. Now it is in yellow color. After that, double click inside this shape. I am going to double click now inside this shape. Now you can see a cursor here. Can you see here a cursor here? Yes. Now you can start typing here. Okay, ICT subject or anything you like. Okay, so this is how to type a text inside a shape. So I'll show you once more. I have drawn a shape here. Okay, and what I have done, the first step, the second step, double click inside the shape. Double click inside the shape. I am going to double click now. Now you can see a cursor here and you start typing whatever you like. Is it clear, my dear students? So it's very easy. I'll read out the steps once more. Draw a shape. The second step, double click inside the shape. then a cursor will appear. Okay, then type the words or text inside the shape. Okay, what is the second topic for today's class? Write down the steps to draw connectors in LibreOffice Draw. Okay, how to draw a connector in LibreOffice Draw. So I have shown in the last class, but I'll show you once more. So suppose these are the two shapes. I want to connect these two rectangles. Okay, suppose I want to connect these two rectangles which I have already drawn. So what I have to do, at the left side you can see the tool box. Okay, tool bar. Click on here. The connector tool is here. This one is the connector tool at the down arrow, and select any connector you want. Here I am going to select the straight connector. Okay, now when you reach the shape, bring the mouse pointer to the shape. You can see 4 points here around the rectangle. Can you see here the first point? This is known as glue points. These 4 points, I'll show you, 1 2 3 4. These 4 points are known as glue points. Okay, so using these glue points you can connect the lines. Okay, when you bring the mouse here in this rectangle, here also you can see the glue points, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm going to use this glue point. Click and drag, click and drag. Okay, when you reach here you can see the glue point here, and you leave the mouse. Now it is connected. Okay, if you want to change the line color, you can see at the left side toolbox, you can see this is the line color tool. Click here and change the line color. Now it is in red color. To increase the thickness of this line, I have shown you in the last class. You can see at the right side here, width. Can you see here? Increase the width here. Now it is very clear. Okay, now I will show you the glue points around the ellipse also. I have shown in the last class. Here can you see here ellipse tool at the left side? Click on that and you draw an ellipse. I'm going to change the color. Now I'm going to connect this rectangle and this ellipse. I'm going to connect these two shapes, this rectangle and this ellipse. So again select the connector here, connector tool. Can you see here connector tool at the left side, and select a connector. Can you see here in the ellipse? These are known as glue points of ellipse. Around the ellipse you can see certain points. These points are known as glue points of ellipse. Okay, so choose any glue point, click and drag, connect to the glue point of rectangle. Okay, again you can change the color of line. You can increase the width of this line here. Can you see here width? Click here and increase the width. Okay, so hope all are clear about how to draw the connector, how to increase the width and all. Okay, and our last topic for today, how to rotate a shape in LibreOffice Draw. Okay, how to rotate a shape in LibreOffice Draw. So I have written down the steps here. Step 1 is make the first click on the shape. Okay, make the first click. Then what you can see, then you can see nodes around the shape. Okay, then you can see the nodes around the shape. What is its use? It is used to adjust the size of the shape. Okay, so for the first click, when you click for the first time on the shape, you can see nodes around the shape. What is the use of that nodes? It is used to adjust the size of the shape. Is it clear, my dear students? Now you read out the step 2. Make the second click on the shape again. Make the second click on the shape again. Then you can see what? Red color marks. Red color marks around the shape. What is its use? It is used to rotate the shape. Okay, so I'll show it, then it will be very clear for you. So I am going to draw a rectangle here. Click on the rectangle tool and I am going to draw it here. Okay, I'm going to fill with a yellow color. Okay, what I have told you, first you make the first click, only one click. Okay, what happened? You can see green color nodes around the shapes. Can you see here green color small squares around the shapes? What is its use? It is used to increase or decrease the size of the shape. You have to click and drag on any one node, so you can increase and decrease the size of the shape. Okay, so these green color small squares are known as nodes. This is for the first click. Now I am going to click again inside the shape. The second click inside the shape. I am going to click now. What happened? You can see red color mark. Okay, so here it is a light orange. Don't worry, in some of the systems it will be red color. So either you can see a red color or a orange color marks around the shapes. Can you see here this orange color marks around the shape? Yes. Now you choose any one orange color mark. When you bring the mouse here, can you see a rotating sign? Okay, then you click and drag. I repeat, click and drag to any one side. Can you see here? Now it is rotating. Okay, and you leave your hand from the mouse. Now it is rotated. Is it clear, my dear students? I'll show you once more. Take a rectangle tool, click on rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here. Choose any color, that is up to you, no problem. I'll choose another color for make it clear. Okay, now make the first click inside the shape. So you can see green color small squares around the shape, that is called nodes. What is its use? What is the use of this green color squares nodes? Yes, to increase and decrease the size of the shape. Okay, now I am going to click again inside the shape. The second click I am going to click now. Now what you can see around the shape? Yes, a red color or orange color marks around the shape. Okay, so choose any one orange color mark. Now you can see a rotating shape. Okay, place your mouse there and click and drag wherever you like. Okay, suppose I want to rotate like this, and you leave the leave the mouse. Now it is rotated. Is it clear, my dear students? Hope all are clear about this topic. Okay, so these are the three topics for today's class. So hope all are clear about these three topics. So that's all for today. In the next class we will study this topic, how to make the picture attractive in LibreOffice Draw. So that's all about for today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students.